All right, I've got one more example to give you. In the first two examples I gave, the book was nice enough to give us the actual graph of things. Here they want us to graph things first. So let's take a look at these two functions. All right, so let's see. Our first function, y equals x squared. Do it in green here. So f of x equals x squared. Our next function, it's also a parabola. However, this one opens downward. When we plug in 0, we get 0. And negative b over 2a vertex. So that's negative 18 over 2 times negative 1, which is looks like 9. All right, so it's going to be up at 9 as far as we have there. So it's opening downward. So that should probably be our above part, but let's see. In fact, that's probably where they meet, given where we're at here, but let's take a look. All right, so if we set the two equal together, x squared equals negative x squared plus 18, move over everything over to the left, that gives us 2x squared minus 18, excuse me, that's an x, it looks like, equals 0. We can factor out a 2 and then divide. So that gives us x squared minus 9x equals 0. And now we can factor out an x. And this gives us the fact that x equals 0 is a solution, and then x equals 9 is also a solution. So let's draw this other bit. So say we'll just put 9 here. Plug in 9, we're at negative 81 times 2 times 81, so 162. All right, so I won't draw whatever the axis is to scale, but your graph is going to look something like this. The area of interest we're looking for are between these two here. All right, so our g of x, again, is the one on top for the area of interest here, because that's the only place they are overlapping. Let's see, that equals negative x squared plus 18x. So we're going to want to find the area over the interval. 0 to 9. Those are the x values that we're going to have. All right, so our area, again, our above function that's higher over that interval, is negative x squared plus 18x. We're subtracting the interval below, which is just x squared. That's with respect to x. So that gives us negative 2x squared plus 18x. When we integrate these, we're going to use the power rule again. So that's negative 2/3 x cubed plus 18 over 2 is 9, x squared, evaluated from 0 to 9. The 0 is going to kill everything out. 0 cubed and 0 squared are both 0. So we just need to evaluate the function, the antiderivatives at 9. So negative 2/3 times 9 cubed plus 9, and then we have 9 squared. So that's also going to be 9 cubed. So scroll down a little bit. All right, so 2/3, that's right. So 9 squared is 81. 729. So that's negative 2/3, 729 plus 729. All right, so in essence, we're going to take 1/3 of 729, but that's going to be, looks like total is going to be 243. It's really just 1/3 of 729. So we divide that, we're going to get 243.